Alright, well, today's project, I'm going to take this scrap plywood and build a platform for the bed of my truck so I can sleep in the back of here when I'm out there 4x and having a good time. Overnighters, you know, nothing really long term.
I can't find the motive to wake in the morning and be so productive the way that you do. I'd rather smoke till my lungs probably blow up the way that my music gon' hopefully do. I know the world as you know it is heavy, it's harder to grasp. Sometimes you fall, sometimes you crash. Stand up and notice you back on your ass. See, I hate the shit that I'm living in. Got a bitch and she claim that she innocent. When I pull up and show her the evidence, yeah, I'll be the one and consider it. And lately I just wanna finish it. Finna stomp, you get blood on my Timberlands. On my city, but hey, who I share.
I apologize for the loss of footage here. So this is what it's going to look like when it's done. Basically, I took and cleaned it up real good, put some construction adhesive on there, and glued on this old pad.
On tempo like I'm finna blow. I need that eyes that resemble my soul, cause I know there's people who think that I won't. See, I hate the shit that I'm living in. Got a bitch and she claim that she innocent. When I pull up and show her the evidence, yeah, I'll be the one and consider it. And lately I just wanna finish it. Finna stomp, you get blood on my Timberlands. Love my city, but hey, who I share it with. Got no feelings cause nobody felt the kid. Now I'm so okay on my own. Rather be out in the streets of my home. Rather be be rolling up, getting some dome. Look in my eyes when you say you want smoke. I feel the energy, really you don't. Truly on tempo like I finna blow. I need that ice that resemble my soul. Cause I know there's people who think that I won't see. I hate the shit that I'm living in. Got a bitch and she claim that she innocent. When I pull up and show her the evidence, yeah, I'll be the one and consider it. And sometimes I just wanna finish it. Finish time, you get blood on my Timberlands. Love my city, but hey, who I share it with? Got no feelings, cause nobody felt the kid. Now I'm so okay on my own. Rather be out in the streets than my own. Rather be rolling up, getting some dome. Look in my eyes when you say you want smoke. I feel the energy, really you don't. Totally on tempo like I finna blow. I need that ice to resemble my soul. Cause I know there's people who think that I won't.
Back at home, feeling misunderstood. In between these ears ain't nothing good. Gotta get my fix, so it's time for me to go. Gonna get on down, this one's for me. All I gotta do is find my keys, and by then I should be headed on down the road. I'm going to the backwoods and my feet are raised up high. Going to do a little off-road in my Maudi 545. It's just a die for bullets, made me recognize the cure to all my sorrows is when I mud up this old ride. There are things that make a grown man tick. It can be the job or the one you live with. There's gotta be a place for us to go and hide.
Check out the way I installed my dune flag. Pretty cool. You just gotta pop this loose right here. The whole thing can pull out. This right here comes off on the inside. Whole thing just pulls off, just like so. Got my legal flag. And I want to go duning. Pop it in this hole. Let it on the bracket. Take this little doohickey here. Put it on the bolt inside. There it is. Got protection against the truck. Don't dip too far back when I'm hauling butt. Nice. All this is just a metal tube. I drilled a hole in here, drilled a hole down here, put two pins. There's one pin that's up in here that you can't see. Goes across, keeps it from falling out that way. And then this other pin is here, and that keeps it from going back up. And it gives me a place to just loop this around. Easy peasy. All right, and there you have it. And that's a double sleeping bag right there. So I got room for two, but I'm the size of two, so there we go. Sleeping bag, extra pad. I like this one, gives me a little bit more firm than just the foam. Don't sink into it as much. It's a good little trick. There it is. I'm gonna have to go camping now. Boy, I'm gonna have to go camping now.